This is some basic bipolar one transistor circuits. We've got the basic common emitter, common collector, and common base. Now there's different names for these with follower, like emitter follower for common collector, and you might even call that a collector follower or something stupid like that. I don't use those names, they're kind of obsolete back from the tube days. So these are the basic three configurations. This is the one you see 90% of the time or better. It's common emitter, got kind of a medium impedance in, kind of a medium impedance out in relative terms. And I drew in yellow what might be actually attached to the circuit. But this is the basic part of it, the part in blue. And you're basically turning a current change, a big current change, into a big voltage change by the choice of this resistor here. So your output basically flips around the voltage drop of this resistor for your voltage gain. And you get a little current gain out of this too. And basically you got a beta, you know, your 1 unit of beta, beta times, so say, you know, 1 milliamp in here and then 100 beta, you'd have 100 milliamps going through. That's your basic, most popular circuit. There is a bandwidth issue called the Miller effect. There's a little bit of capacitance between the junctions. And that's why RF transistors are different than audio transistors. Part of the reason. So moving on, we have the next most popular probably, common collector. And this is these two are often seen together in a push-pull setup. So common collector, it's basically the same thing, and you got a high impedance on the input, relatively high impedance on the input, and a relatively low impedance on the output. And it has pretty much a unity gain for voltage. So you don't really gain any voltage out of this stage. And finally, the third one here. You get all voltage gain, but no current gain at all. You're lucky to get unity as far as current gain. So it's all voltage gain. This is used really commonly on a moving coil microphone or a moving coil pickup on a turntable. So it's all voltage gain, no current gain. It's an in-phase circuit, just like this is too. I did the little waves. This one inverts. These other two don't.